it is all related to instruments, right? What is the instruments? Instruments is, एक इंस्ट्रूमेंट होता है जिसको बोलते हैं लिक्विडिटी एडजस्टमेंट फैसिलिटीज. दिस वाज इंक्लूडेड. व्हाट इज लिक्विडिटी एडजस्टमेंट फैसिलिटीज फॉर द बैंक? Bank accepts deposit and lends money. In the process, banks can have liquidity problem. You understand what is the liquidity problem? I have money. मैंने काम किया है. I will get money, but my money will come after few days and I require money now. Yes or no? This is a liquidity problem. I have liquidity problem. मेरे पैसे आएंगे लेकिन एक सप्ताह के बाद आएंगे. मुझे पैसा अभी चाहिए. बैंक को ये चीज होता है कि नहीं होता है? Bank can also have same time of problem. Bank money, banks has given loan, the bank will get money, but bank needs to pay money today. बैंक किसी कस्टमर्स को पैसा देना है, गवर्नमेंट को पैसा देना है, कहीं भी बैंक को पैसा देना पड़ता है. Yes or no? Bank has to pay money somewhere, but the bank money will not come. Bank has got liquidity problem. Have you understood liquidity problem? Now, in RBI says, in case you have liquidity problem, then there are certain facilities that I have given you. What is that facility? Repo rate. Yes or no? You borrow from me at this rate. है ना? Repo rate is you borrow from me against what? Against securities. है ना? And remember, under repo, these are not SLR securities. Now you understand what is SLR securities? Yes or no? They are not SLR securities. Bank can borrow from the RBI through repo rate. Yes or no? Now, if the bank requires more money, then the RBI says, okay, now you can borrow more under MSF. You can use SLR security, but then you will have to pay me a higher rate of interest. Yes or no? MSF is always greater than repo rate. MSF rate is greater than repo rate. याद है ना? कितना ज्यादा होगा? 0.25%. Very good. समझ गया ना? And reverse repo rate क्या है? Bank can park money with the RBI, है ना? But the RBI needs securities. Now, if RBI wants more money from the bank, they can use what? SDF. SDF क्या हो गया बेटा? Standing deposit facility. This is in lieu of the RRR. ठीक है ना? रिवर्स रेपो रेट. रिवर्स रेपो रेट का उल्टा है. समझ लो मेरी बात? RRR. And RR is what? RBI will give securities and will take money from the bank. Now this bank has got a lot of liquidities, which RBI thinks should come to RBI. Bank has got a lot of liquidity. Then that much of security that RBI does not have. So RBI can borrow without security under SDF. Have you understood? SDF rate क्या होगा? ज्यादा होगा, कम होगा, ये सब देख लेना. ठीक है? SDF क्या होता है? दूसरा लिक्विडिटी एडजस्टमेंट फैसिलिटी RR के बदले में होता है. और CRR अलग चीज है यार, वो तो रिजर्व रेशियो है. तुम कंफ्यूज क्यों करते हो? आपको समझ में नहीं आता है. एंड देन क्या बोला? SDF एंड CRR को कंपेयर करने के लिए ना, CRR is a different concept. CRR is that part of the deposit where the bank has to keep with the RBI. That is compulsory. ये तो लेन देन में लिक्विडिटी के लिए है. आपने जितना डिपॉजिट मल्टीप्लाई किया उसका तो सीखना पड़ेगा CRR. Have you understood this? ठीक है, चलो